In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in Adobe InDesign. By the end, you'll have a clean, customizable monthly layout you can reuse all year. Start by opening Adobe InDesign. On the welcome screen, look to the left and click New File. In some versions, this might be labeled New Document. In the Setup window, choose a page size that suits your needs, like letter or A4, and make sure the orientation is set to Landscape. Landscape gives you a wider grid and more breathing room for dates and notes. If you plan to print to the edge, you can set a small bleed, but that's optional. Modest margins will help keep everything tidy. With your document ready, go to the top menu and click Table. From there, choose Create Table. For a standard monthly layout, set 7 columns for the days of the week. For rows, plan on one header row for the weekdays and about 5 to 6 body rows to cover all the dates of the month. If InDesign asks you to place the table, simply drag a text frame across the page. This frame holds the table. Position the table so there's some open space at the top of the page for your calendar title. That space is valuable for the month name, the year, or even a small photo. Use the selection tool to resize the table so it fills the width neatly while leaving that title area intact. Next, switch to the Type tool to add your weekdays in the top row. Click inside the first header cell and type the first day in your preferred order, then continue across to complete the row. Center, align the text, and consider using a bold or slightly larger font for clarity. Consistent capitalization and spacing go a long way toward a polished look. Keep the Type tool active to number the days. Start on the correct weekday for the month you're building, then move through the cells in sequence. A smaller font size for the numbers works well, and placing them at the top right of each cell keeps room for notes. If you want cleaner spacing, open table or cell options and adjust the cell insets to add a little padding. You can also lightly shade weekends or holidays to make them stand out, and apply paragraph or character styles if you want quick, consistent formatting across months. And then that's it. Your basic calendar is in place, sized, labeled, and numbered, ready for styling or printing.